Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to do something really special on our Sprinter. It always bugged me that these things come with that flimsy little thing that when you open your hood, you gotta stick it in there and then hope the hood doesn't fall down on you. I went online and tried to find a solution, and I found it on the website of Vans, and I ordered gas struts to keep this up, and that's what we're gonna install right now. So let me show you what's in the box, and then we'll go ahead with the install. So the box comes with two struts, and they look like this. So you can see it has the Vans logo on it, and then it comes also with the hardware needed to install it. So we're gonna go ahead and open the hood of the Sprinter, and then we're going to do a step-by-step on how to install those, and I'll also leave a link in the description for you guys if you need to order this for your own Sprinter. See, this is how you open it, and then you got that little thing here that you need to unclip and then put it right into here for it to stay where it needs to be at. So in the packet we have these L-shaped brackets here, and these go basically on top of where the fender bolts in, just like this, snug against the frame of the Sprinter. And then we're installing the hood shock from here all the way down to this, with the solid part on top and the part that goes in on the bottom. So we're going to need a 10mm wrench. We can unbolt this and then bolt it right back in where it needs to be. And these brackets are stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about them rusting or anything like that. This is literally, guys, a 10-minute install, and it's getting so much better. I can't believe, you know, on the price of what these Vans cost, that's not included in it coming from the factory, but it isn't. So glad these things are available aftermarket. It's also going to lift the hood a little bit higher, I think, for the ease of working under it, so it's going to be a lot easier. So now I'm doing the second one. Alright, so the brackets are on, guys, and I will also leave the link in the description so it's easy for you guys to order them if you need to. It comes with a washer, and you can see that washer has like a collar on it, so that goes on the inside in it, so it's flat on the outside. There you go. And then it comes with locking. It comes with a black washer on that side and a locking bolt. Make sure I don't lose these. So you put a washer on this side, a washer on the other side, and then your locking. Alright. And now you can basically click the strut in there There we go. And then you just undo the hood. And like I said, it'll lift it a little bit higher, so it'll be easier to get stuff done on your Sprinter. There we go. Number one's installed. And that looks really good, guys. That's awesome. So your hood sits higher. And now we're going to the other side and we're going to install the other one. So on the other side, in order to mount it, we need to remove this thing that holds it up normally. And I'm gonna get some pliers to, or maybe it'll work. There we go. So you remove all this. And then I'm gonna keep this. Now I'm gonna install this side. Again with those washers. These locking nuts. Those are all little upgrades that you can do. I mean, it has nothing really to do with what we're doing with the van build, but they're all little things that make your life easier. Today it's going to be van building day. We're gonna keep going with all the rest, and then I also got to get the bus because that one's got to go in for a maintenance on the aqua hot system. And I looked it up to do it myself, but that's pretty tedious, so I'm not going to even start that. Here we go. So now, same thing over here. Remove all the garbage first so nothing stays behind. There we go. And here we go. We're going to install the other side as well. So you just click it on there. There we go. And that's that, guys. This is the install of gas struts for your hood for your Sprinter. Let's see if we try to close it, what it does. But perfect. Let's open it back up. I'm stoked about this. There we go. No more holding it up, putting this thing down, hoping you put it in correctly, because if you're doing something and you put it in quickly and all of a sudden your hood falls on your head, not a pretty feeling, not very nice. So this will eliminate that. Another thing that makes our life easier. I hope this install was something you guys will do as well. I hope it was, you know, somewhat educational for people who want to try this. Again, it's a 10-minute install. You've seen me doing it. Very easy. And thank you, Owl Vans, for distributing such an awesome product. It's really cool. So this is it, guys. This is the complete install for shocks for your hood or your Sprinter. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos. It really helps us moving forward, creating more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.